Hey there, my name's Joy Cruz. I'm the metalsmith at Wild Prairie Silver. We made this little handy plate after actually watching another metalsmith's video on YouTube. His was made out of wood. We made this plate to fit in any vise, just a regular tabletop vise like this one right here from Home Depot or farm stores. Nice and solid. You simply add hot glue to it with a heat gun from the craft store. I have a lot of hot glue on mine. I make very big pieces of jewelry. You use this over and over and over again. I saw some people using my plate and they just put a little bit of hot glue on one corner of it and they're using the rest as an anvil, so that's kind of handy too. It's easy to travel with as well. So take a heat gun, melt as much hot glue on this plate as you want to. Lock the plate into a vise. This vise is from GRS. It's one of my favorite tools. Lock it into a vise. I like this vise because it turns, so you could work on any angle of your work. Heat the glue up and your metal piece up. Okay, so when you want to use this plate, everything's locked in here tight. Just heat it up a little bit. And I mean a little bit. You can see it kind of getting gooey there. That's it. Gotta let it cool. Gonna take a second to let it cool. This nice vise, this all moves, which is great. This, show you how this works. This whole thing spins around. Tightens. This comes off. Get it out of your way. Okay, is it cooled off enough? It's still a little gooey. If you look right in here, you can see that that part is kind of this little coil. It's solid into that glue. If you get too much glue on it, put it in a little acetone. It wipes right off. You can see this was the glue on here. Just put it in a little bit of acetone. Comes right off of there. Now I'm going to set these stones. Should be nice and cool. This is a hammer hand piece. You can do it by hand like this if you're just using a bezel pusher. I like this little tiny paring knife. Obviously I use it all the time. It's all chewed up. I have lots of them. And if you're setting something soft like a nice pretty little turquoise, you might just want to use something like this. See how nothing moves? You just work steady, work right along. And you want to take this out, heat it up again. That's it. I got some glue on there, not so good. I'll just lay it in here for a little bit. And the acetone, and that'll come right off. So if you buy one of these plates, this is how it comes. It's plain. You melt the glue sticks on it with a hot glue gun. You might only need a little bit, like in the corner. You can use the rest as an anvil. You lock this in any vise. You are going to need a heat gun to get the job done, and some acetone. My son makes these, and 100% of the money goes to his college tuition. So, thanks.